Hello everybody, hello my friend. Today I will talk to you with my presentation number 2 for the tricycle. Okay, now my title for the presentation, it's how you can to create content for the social media. Let's go. Take some nice drink and come review my video. Completed to the end. The video is just 3-4 minutes for the presentation. I need to tell you for the videos how I create a video. My videos is take 15 to 14 hours for working. It's 3 hours for recording, 1 hour write script and to draw the video on the paper, 8 hours and 9 hours it's editor the video, 3 hours make the thumbnail for the video, upload it, write the good title, the title take the attention for the followers, thumbnail is take all attention from the viewer. This video I will create for how I teach you to create a content. The video is 5 steps. Number 1, write script and draw the video. Number 2, recording the video for the good light, good speaking on the camera. You have to make a nice face on the camera. You have more something you need to do it. Number 3, it's editor the video. This is the long time the video is taken. Editor is take for the 13 to 14 hours just edit. They take 3 hours for rendering, finish, download from the application to editor. Number 4, you need to make the thumbnail for the video and you need to write some 2 words on the thumbnail, take all the attention from the follower. Number 5, you have to create the title, upload the video, write the description for the video, write hashtags and write the search word. This video, search for the influencers, share him your content, they make for you some ads to your page to make a viral. Now I will teach you just how. Okay everybody, I will make for my work, I will create it and now it's something quickly for edit because it's take the long time, but I make the small video or I telling you all the instructions to have be make a business, create a content in the social media. Everybody enjoy with your presentations. Thank you so much. If you have any questions you can ask me in the class. Goodbye everybody.